Enhancing user experience on an e-commerce website is crucial for improving conversion rates and reducing bounce rates and abandoned carts. Follow the recommendations made in this video to optimize your site and provide a better user experience. Implement mobile responsive design. With the increasing number of smartphone users, it is essential to ensure your e-commerce store is mobile responsive. This ensures that your website is accessible and functional on smartphones and tablets, catering to a larger audience. Simplify the checkout process. Create a checkout page that is clear, simple, and visually appealing to increase conversion rates. Avoid unnecessary forms, ads, and pop-ups that may distract or frustrate customers, leading them to abandon their purchase. Streamline the checkout process to minimize steps and make it as efficient as possible. Offer guest checkout option, allowing customers to make purchases without requiring them to sign up for an account. This reduces friction and saves time for customers, enhancing their overall shopping experience. Provide multiple payment gateways. Offer a variety of payment gateways to accommodate customer preferences. By providing options such as credit cards, PayPal, and other popular payment methods, you increase the likelihood of completing transactions successfully. Ensure easy navigation. Optimize your website's navigation to make it intuitive and user-friendly. Place the call to action buttons prominently, making it easy for customers to take desired actions. Use standard font sizes and colors to ensure readability and accessibility. Implement a 24/7 chatbot. Enhance customer support by integrating a 24/7 chatbot on your website. This enables customers to seek assistance at any time, addressing their queries and concerns promptly. Chatbots can provide information on discounts, delivery times, and other frequently asked questions, improving the overall user experience. Add user reviews/testimonials. Display user reviews and testimonials on your website to establish credibility and trust. Positive reviews from satisfied customers can motivate potential buyers to make a purchase. Place these testimonials strategically on your site where customers can easily find them, showcasing the positive experiences of others. By implementing these strategies, you can significantly improve the user experience on your e-commerce website, leading to higher conversion rates and customer satisfaction.